All right, Bruce Kisslinger Jr. here with Cambridge Engineering. So I started here about 20 years ago, and now I am the director of manufacturing for the whole entire facility. So when I started here 20 years ago, I was actually right out of high school, started cutting wires, making wires, wiring motors, doing a little bit of everything on the electrical side of things, and I transitioned into actually an assembly person. While I was doing that, I also went to Rankin, got an associate's degree in control systems technology, and Cambridge was actually pretty nice to me, and I was able to do that and work here at the same time. So after I got done with Rankin in my education, I started wiring panels and transitioned into a tester. So I did that for numerous years, and after that I was promoted to a team lead. So basically I was over an area leading them through their daily activities. And once I did that for a couple of years, I transitioned into a production supervisor, and I held that position for quite a while. And then there was opportunities all along the way. There was an opportunity to grow into a production manager, where I took over a handful of the production lines. And after I did that for a couple of years, then I transitioned into the plant manager. So this was a pretty big step for me, to going from a production manager to plant manager, because I was able to get the engineering department and the facilities under my wing. And I did that for probably 3 or 4 years, and now I am where I am as the director of manufacturing. Along my path, not only going to Rankin, I also went to Lindenwood and got my bachelor's degree and my MBA from Lindenwood. So that is my story. Thank you very much.